Hi, I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great. This is a potato chowder with ham. I'm going to show you what to do with that leftover Easter ham, and I hope your Easter was great. You're going to need approximately 2 quarts of potatoes, peeled and diced, a half a cup of diced onion, 3 tablespoons of diced bell pepper, a half a stick of butter, 2 heaping tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sour cream or 8 ounces, 2 cups of diced ham, and I'm just using this packaged ham, and salt and pepper to taste. Now you want to cover your potatoes, your diced onion, and your diced bell pepper with water. Boil until the potatoes are done but not falling apart. When your potatoes are ready, cut off the heat but leave your boiler on the burner. And don't drain your water. Melt a half a stick of butter in the microwave and add your flour and mix it well. Add your flour mixture to the potatoes, along with your sour cream and ham. The potatoes should still have enough liquid to make a thin soup. You'll want to mix them gently. Now you want to add salt and pepper to taste. I ended up adding more salt and pepper than is shown here. Now just cook on low until bubbly. This soup was really good. My family really loved it, and I think you will too. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.